The world goes digital. So do the threats. There's a risk behind every click. It's time to be prepared. A multinational organization that is at the forefront of cybersecurity training and global certification. Headquartered in Kochi, Technovalley has expanded its operations to Africa and the Middle East. Learning here is not limited to theory. Each student is trained as an intern. Hands-on training is provided to directly experience real-world cyber situations. Technovalley Certified Blue Team Up, a comprehensive training program designed to strengthen the foundation of cyber defense, threat detection, incident response, network security, vulnerability management, and SIEM tools, all inclusive. Security Analyst, SOC Engineer, Blue Team led, average salary in India is around 6 lakh rupees. The skills that organizations around the world are looking for in Blue Teamers in your hands. To become the cyber defense leader of tomorrow, join Technovalley Certified Blue Teamer program today.